Did you know you can create an online store with Wix and start selling products online completely for free? Well, usually you do need to upgrade to a paid premium Wix plan in order to start selling products on your website. However, many people are unaware that you can simply integrate Ecwid and Wix to create an online store without needing to upgrade to a paid premium plan. This is an ideal solution for beginners looking to get started with e-commerce. Hey guys, Stewart here, welcome back to this channel, and if it's your first time here, then thanks for joining me. Now in this Wix tutorial, I'm going to walk you through building a free Wix website and share how to integrate an online store using the Ecwid app so that you can start selling your products on Wix completely for free. Okay, so just quickly, before we launch into Wix and Ecwid, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already, or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that out of the way, let's go ahead and build your online store with Wix and Ecwid. Okay, so first things first, what we want to do is create an online store using Ecwid. Then within Ecwid, we can upload up to 10 products completely for free, and then integrate our Ecwid store with our WordPress website so we can start selling products directly through our Wix website. Okay, so to arrive at Ecwid and to get started completely for free, simply head over to ecwid.com, or feel free to click our link in the description below this video, and that's going to take you here. Now it's important to note that this link in our description is an affiliate link, which means if you decide to upgrade to a paid plan in the future, we will get a small commission, and this just helps continue to support our channel. So thank you in advance if you decide to use our affiliate link. Then once you've arrived here, simply click Get Started for Free. And this is where you want to take the time to sign up with a free account if you don't already have a Ecwid account. Now for the purpose of this tutorial, we already have an Ecwid account that we want to use. So what I'm going to do is meet you inside your Ecwid account once you've signed up. So go ahead, take the time to sign up with Ecwid, and we'll meet you inside your account. Then once you've taken your time to sign up, you should arrive inside your Ecwid dashboard. Now for those that aren't too familiar with Ecwid, basically Ecwid is an all-in-one e-commerce platform for small businesses that allows you to create an online store completely for free and list up to 10 products that you can then sell either on a website that you build within Ecwid, or the great thing about Ecwid is you can take your Ecwid online store and then integrate your online store with other different website builders. This is ideal if you already have a website but you want to start selling products through that website. And again, like I mentioned, you do not have to upgrade to a paid plan within Ecwid or with the website builder that you're integrating Ecwid with. Now the first thing that you want to do within Ecwid is navigate over to category and then navigate over to products. This is where we can add products to our online store before integrating Ecwid with Wix or another website builder depending on the website builder that you use. So I'm going to go ahead and click on products. And as you can see within our account, we already have 3 products listed in our online store. Now to simply add a product, all you need to do is navigate up to add new product and then simply go ahead and fill out your product's information. For example, upload the images of your products, add your product name, add a product description, and then simply navigate up to pricing and add the price of your product. As you can see, it's incredibly easy to add products to your Ecwid online store. Now, because today's focus is on integrating Ecwid and Wix together so you can start selling your products on Wix for free, we're not going to dive too deep into how to actually use Ecwid. If you want to learn more about making the most of Ecwid as a e-commerce platform for small businesses, then what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will take you through the process of setting up your account, adding products, and creating a website all through Ecwid. However, today we just want to learn how to add products to Ecwid, and then we're going to connect the online store with our Wix website. So what I'm going to do is navigate over to back and then select leave this page. So again, for this tutorial, we already have 3 products that we want to sell on our Wix website. And remember, Ecwid's free plan only allows you to list up to 10 products. If you want to list more than 10 products, you will need to upgrade to a paid plan within Ecwid. Okay, so once you've taken the time to upload all your products into Ecwid, it's now time to integrate Ecwid with our Wix website. So for the purpose of today's tutorial, what I'm going to do is quickly go ahead and create a free Wix website using the ADI, which is the Artificial Design Intelligence. Basically, all we need to do is answer a few basic questions within Wix, and Wix will generate a professional and personalized website for us. And then I'm going to walk you through how to integrate Ecwid with your Wix website. Okay, so what I'm going to do is head over to wix.com, and that's going to take me here. Now, if you currently do not have a Wix website just yet, then feel free to click our Wix link down in the description below this video, and that's again going to take you here. Now, it's important to note that this link is an affiliate link, which means if you upgrade to a paid plan in the future, we will get a small commission, and this just helps us continue to create educational content for this channel. So thank you in advance if you decide to use the link in our description. And for those that have already created a Wix website, then you can skip this chapter and meet us inside our Wix account once we've gone ahead and created our website. So let's go ahead and create a free, personalized and professional Wix website in just a few steps. What we're going to do is simply enter our email. So go ahead, enter your email and click Start Now. And then simply go ahead and sign up with Facebook or with Google. You can also sign up with email by making sure that you have your correct email entered in twice, and then just simply add a password and then type in the password again before clicking sign up. I'm going to quickly go ahead and add my password, and then once you've created a strong password, go ahead and click sign up. Then click get started. Here you want to identify your business type. For us, we're going to create an online store, a Wix website for a jewelry store. And up here you can see that we have jewelry store. So take the time to identify your website type, your business type, and then simply click next. And then go ahead and add your store name. You can change this later on if you like. Then click next. And this is where you can add features that you want to add to your Wix website. For us, we're going to add pricing plans, as well as a blog feature. And then if we scroll down, I also want to add an Instagram feed to display our portfolio. And again, you can add features to your website later on if you like. So what I'm going to do is come down and click next. Under have you created a website before, I'm going to click this is my first time. And like I mentioned at the beginning of this tutorial, we want to create a website using the ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence, which is basically going to allow Wix to create our website in just a few minutes by answering a few basic questions. So I'm going to go ahead and click Start Now. This is where you can add your existing website or your Google business profile if you have one, and then Wix will import your content from your existing website and from your Google business profile into your new website. Because we don't currently have a Google place, a Google business profile, or an existing website, we're going to come down and click Next. And under review and edit your info, what you want to do is take the time to make sure that your business name is correct, add a logo if you have one, add a business address, phone, facts, and your social accounts if you have any for this business. Now, if you currently do not have a logo for your new business or existing business, then what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above that will guide you through the process of creating your own logo from scratch completely for free. So go ahead and check that out if you want to create your own logo. Then once you've filled out all this information, come down and click next. Go ahead and select a theme color for your website. Again, you can change this later on. We're going to go ahead and select this theme, grand, and then come down and I'm going to click continue. And as you can see, based on the answers to the questions that we gave Wix, Wix has now generated 3 professional personalized homepage designs that we can choose for our website. So what we're going to do is navigate over to this homepage design. I like the look of this, and I'm going to select use this design. And then here we have the option to add the website pages that we want to add to our new Wix website. Now you can add additional pages later on, as well as customize each of these pages. So I'm going to add our products, about us, and contact. But you can add the pages that you want. Then simply click edit site. And just like that, Wix has gone ahead and automatically generated a free professional and personalized Wix website. And what we can do now is start customizing each website page the way that we like. Now, if you're completely new to Wix, what I'll do is link a beginner's tutorial up above and down below in the description that will take you through the process of how you can actually customize each of your Wix pages of your website using both the ADI and the more advanced Wix editor. Now, if I navigate over to my primary menu, you'll notice that in my menu, I have this shop option. Now, under the free plan, I can't actually use this shop feature. I can't sell products through the Wix website unless I integrate the Ecwid online store, which we're going to do shortly. Now, the reason I have this shop feature here is because I selected jewelry store, and that Wix template for the jewelry store option that I selected automatically comes with an online store. However, if we're just using the free plan, we can't actually use this feature. So what I'm going to do is navigate up to page and click on the drop down. This is for those that have that shop option on their menu. Then come down to shop and click on the gear icon and come down and simply click delete. And then here Wix will ask if you want to delete your online store. We want to click delete. And once you delete the shop feature, the online store, you'll be taken back to your homepage. And throughout your website, you'll notice that the entire shop feature, the online store feature, has been removed from your entire website. As you can see, we no longer have shop in our menu. Okay, so now we need to add the Ecwid online store so we can start selling products for free with our Wix website. To do that, we first need to navigate up to site and then come down and click on go to editor. And then click switch to editor. And the editor essentially allows you to have more design freedom over your customizations, whereas the ADI is structured and it's very limited in terms of the customizations that you can make on your website. Now, once the editor has loaded, what we want to do is navigate over to apps over on the left hand side. Simply click on add apps, then navigate over to the online store app, sell online on your website for free. Now, if you can't see this recommended app down here, simply navigate up to search apps and type in Ecwid and simply locate online store. And then come down to add to site. You can see that there is a free plan available. So what we're going to do is click add to site. And then give Wix a moment to load. Then come down and click save changes. Then give Wix a moment to integrate your new online store into your website. And then navigate up to site in the top left hand corner and come down and head over to my dashboard. Then navigate down to apps over on the left hand side and then select online store. Then navigate up to I already have an Ecwid account. Give Wix a moment to load. And now that we've connected Ecwid with our Wix website, you should now see an online store integrated with your Wix website. And within Online Store, within your Wix dashboard, this is where you can simply manage your Ecwid online store directly within Wix. Now let's go ahead and see what our online store will look like on our website. Simply navigate over to Home over on the left hand side, and then navigate over to your website and click on Edit Site. And as you can see on our primary menu, we now have Online Store. And here we have our online store page. These are the products that we added to Ecwid, and they are now displaying on our Wix website. Before you go ahead and publish your new Wix website and your online store, simply navigate over to Preview to view what your website will look like when you go live. And this is what our online store within our Wix website will look like. Go ahead and click on one of your products, and that will take you to your product page where your customers can then purchase your products. And when you're ready to publish your website, simply navigate up to Publish. Now, unfortunately, with the free plan, you will see Wix branding on your free website. And this Wix banner can make your website look quite unprofessional. So it's completely up to you if you want to remove Wix branding. If you do, navigate over to Upgrade Now. And under the website plans, what you want to do is make sure you upgrade to at least the combo plan in order to remove Wix ads from your website. This will also allow you to add a custom domain rather than using a branded Wix domain. However, that is everything I wanted to cover in this Ecwid and Wix integration tutorial. Remember, we will add a complete Ecwid tutorial down below, as well as a complete Wix tutorial down below if you want to learn more about making the most of Ecwid and Wix. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Ecwid and Wix integration tutorial for beginners. Now, if you have any questions about Ecwid or Wix, make sure to pop those down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this tutorial all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, guys.